Hey y'all! If you would like to see how I achieve this simple and quick hairstyle that's actually my personal summertime favorite, then please keep watching. So the good thing about this style, guys, is that we don't have to start from scratch. So I am starting off with an old twist out, and I'm just going to begin spritzing my hair, the edges most importantly, with water. And I'm going to go in using the Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil kind. I know there's some controversy with this gel because of the ingredients they use. However, I'm going to finish this container and then decide if I'm going to look into other gels. So just go in and begin to cover your edges with the gel. It is time to brush. So just begin brushing your hair upward, making sure to get out all the curls and the bumps and getting it slick and smooth. All right, it is time for the fun stuff. You are going to grab your headband. Don't even talk about mine, okay? Because we've been through a lot together. It's not even a headband anymore, but get your headband and begin to gather your hair going upward to where you actually want your puff to sit. I just have to say, I really love this hairstyle. Like, it's something that I wear quite often. You know what? No. I wear this style every day. I'm not even gonna lie. This is an all-purpose style. I mean, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it to the gym. I mean, it's summertime, so it's not in your face. It's just nice and cool. I mean, I just love this style. So now that we have our puff established on the top of our heads, I'm going to begin using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and the Eco Styler Gel. I use a little bit of each. I just rub it in my hands and begin to scrunch my curls. So now I'm just going to grab my pick and begin to fluff out my hair, make it bigger, give it a little more volume because I love big hair. This is optional. You can leave it, you can fluff it, but you can just go ahead and use this time to make your puff or mold it to your liking. Last but definitely not least, those edges. So I just get a little bit of that Eco Styler gel and my toothbrush and just lay them and get them how I want them. Man, y'all, edges just really make a style complete. And that is pretty much all she wrote, guys. Very simple and quick. If you like this style and want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe.